We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. This is near NLEX and SNR. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, balcony. It's furnished with 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. So guys, the facade of the house, it's currently 10 a.m. and morning sun ng ating orientation. Makikita natin how modern this house looks. We have a greenery right here, wood panels na detailing sa ating side ng gate, and of course our 2-car carport right here. So let's go through this pedestrian gate. So upon entry, we have steps going up to the front door. So right now, for installation pa ang ating front door, so we'll use another way. But to my left, meron tayo itong pocket garden na very well designed. Very nice. As a plant lover, sobrang approve natin itong ating pocket garden right here. We have our 2-car carport dito. And guys, check out this wooden design na ceiling natin na well lighted din, which is very nice. And also, ang ganda rin itong design sa ating walls right here. Now, this is the way to the service area. Later, pupunta tayo dyan. But let's go through this sliding door, which leads to the dining area. Yeah, we have this 8-seater dining table right here na marble top. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, we have this floor-to-ceiling windows na meron tayong sheer curtains which lets in so much natural light, especially in this time of day. Very nice light fixture right there. So may mga plant details din tayo. Unahin na rin natin dito since nakita nyo na our show kitchen. We have this 2-door refrigerator. Ang ganda ng design kasi it's color white, which is very rare na makita sa ating mga house tours. Our modulars, napakaganda storage. We have this countertop, our sink na may sliding window dito, and of course our range hood plus our oven. Tapos ang maganda dito guys, itong center island na to na countertop, meron siyang mga outlets sa gilid if you want to use it for, of course, your blenders or whatever you need it for. Maganda. Then, meron itong space dito na pwede ka maglagay ng seats or bench seats or bar stools dito, which is very convenient pag ikaw ay magbe-breakfast. Napakaganda. Labas muna tayo. Labas muna tayo. So, dito sa labas. Hello mga kuya. Yan. Pakita lang natin, we have so much space right here which can be used for your laundry area, your service area. Dito siya. Ang wide pa nung ating setback. Plus, yung water tank natin nandyan. We have a sink right here. Provision for your washer and dryer. Nandito lahat sa likod. Okay? Now, let's go back in. One more look sa ating napaka-bright and woody na kitchen setup. Our dining. And punta naman tayo ngayon sa living area. So guys, like I said kanina, for installation pa ang ating front door. Dito siya, of course. Then, our living area is right here. Meron tayo ditong couch na L-shaped. We have our center table. We have this panels right here for your television. Air conditioning is included. Curtains are installed. Very, very nice. And guys, point out natin that underneath the stairs, we have this storage para sa inyong mga things, di ba? Ang smart use ng space plus yung breaker natin nandito. Ito guys, tignan nyo kung gaano ka deep itong ating storage dito. So, magagamit nyo to para sa mga bagay-bagay nyo na hindi masyadong ginagamit. Okay? Now, then, balik lang tayo din dito sa kabila kasi meron tayong door dito, which is a bedroom on the ground floor. Upon entry, guys, makikita natin yung transition ng tiling natin. We have the marble design tiles right there. Dito naman, wooden design. Pagpasok natin, we have this bed, air conditioning, we have our television right there. May console tayo dyan. Tapos, meron tayong big window for natural light and ventilation. Plus, we have this cabinet space right here. And an ensuite toilet and bath na maganda rin yung space. Sink, toilet, and your rainfall shower head with, of course, window for ventilation, shampoo niche, and it's partially enclosed. Ang ganda, convenient kasi ang advantage ng bedroom sa baba is if you have an elderly or guest, pwede dito sa room na ito. Now, on the other side naman, we have this powder room for your guest. So, very presentable. I like this floral tiling sa ating wall. We have our toilet and our sink right here. Tapos, lighted pa yung ating mirror dito. Nice. Now, let's go to the second floor. So, makikita niyo guys, I would consider this somewhat as grand staircase kasi napaka-ganda ng design. We have this glass railing right here. Tapos, meron tayong wooden support dito, wooden steps. On the mid-landing, meron tayo ditong space na wide space. Pwede kang maglagay pa ng console dito or plants. And kung mapapansin nyo, hindi rin standard yung width ng ating stairs kasi medyo malawak siya. Then upon landing, we have this hallway that leads to the private area. So unahin natin tong door beside the stairs. So this is bedroom number 1 sa second floor. Guys, nakapatay yung ilaw but it's really bright. We have air conditioning. Your bed is right here. We have a side table. Meron din tayong outlets on either side for your convenience. Plus, of course, meron tayong cabinetry dito na built-in. Okay? Now, bedroom number 2. Pasok tayo. Cabinets right here. Tapos yung bed will go right here. Tapos outlets on either side. We have air conditioning, window, and more window. Yan. Really, really bright and airy. Now, this area right here, ang ganda nito kasi it will be shared by the 2 rooms right here, or the 3 rooms rather. Meron tayo ditong space for your sink. So, ito naman ay yung shower area. Check natin. Spacious, oh. Rainfall shower head. Shampoo niche. Tapos, separate din yung ating water closet dito. So, pwedeng may gumagamit ito, pwedeng may gumagamit ng kabila. So, hindi mag-aagawan. Tapos, meron din tayong big window for ventilation right there. Okay? Ang ganda nung ginawa nila dito. Plus, another bedroom right here. Ito guys, hindi na bubuksan yung ilaw. Bed right here, big windows. Air conditioning is installed. We have our desk dito. If you want to have a vanity or a study dito sa side na to, plus our built-in cabinets right here. Okay. Now let's check the master bedroom. Master bedroom, wooden door also. And it's super spacious. Ito, buksan natin yung ilaw. First time ko makakita ng ganung design na chandelier. Very nice. Cove lighting. Tapos, hindi ko lang na-point out kanina guys, on the other rooms, ang ganda nung design ng ating walls kasi meron siyang mixture of wood panels, meron tayong mga brass na strips dyan. Ang ganda. King size bed. Ang ganda rin ng headboard natin. Very, very comfy. We have a sofa right here. Air conditioning is installed. We have this large console dito. And I think this is the television. I-install pa lang nila. Guys, open shelves right here. Tapos may console tayo dyan. Very nice, very relaxing pag ikaw ay nasa bed mo. Plus, we have this sliding door. That leads to your private balcony. Yeah. So you have this space right here para ikaw ay mag-chill, di ba? After a day's work. Tapos mapapansin nyo guys, the streets in this village are tree lined. So very refreshing siya, very relaxing. Let's go inside. Pakita natin sa inyo yung ating master bath. Yun. So upon entry dito, you will have this enormous amount of space for your closet space. Ang ganda because meron tayo dito mga open shelves. Ito guys, so ito feeling ko ideal to pag mga nakatupig mga shirts dyan. We have these drawers underneath. You have a vanity right here which is also lighted. Hindi pa lang siguro naka-connect yan. Very nice vanity. Meron ka pang area dito. Open shelves and more storage up there. Guys, tira mo itong kahabaan na to, puro to closet space. Imagine, hindi ka mauubusan. May racks. Diba? Ang ganda. Then this door is your master bath. Yan. Upon entry, ito agad, may sink ka dito. You have outlets right here. Lighted mirror. Open shelves, more storage. Then ito yung ating toilet. And may sliding door tayo for your enclosed shower space. With rainfall shower head. And I like this one kasi may natural light pa rin. Tapos pag inopen mo, by the way guys, pag inopen mo yung mga windows, meron siyang screen. So, pwede kang mag-open air, tapos protected ka sa mga insects. Ang ganda. So, if you're interested, please contact us for viewing. And now, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, balcony. It's furnished with 2 carport. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.